Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to blur the background with just one click using PhotoDirector. Open the app, click on Edit, choose your image you would like to work with, and then here you can find effects. After that, click on Blur tool and you will just have to wait a few seconds while AI is working on your photo. Here the foreground is perfect and you can adjust the background even more blurry, and that's basically it. Click on the check mark and do not forget to save your image. Have a nice day.